Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Prime Mail review. In this review, I'll be showing you what Prime Mail is, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with Prime Mail. This is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. Prime Mail launches on the 12th of August by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, Prime Mail is a cloud-based autoresponder software, and this allows you to do email marketing. Now, I've put together some custom bonuses for you to ensure you profit with this. One obvious thing about email marketing is you need to have an email list that you will be mailing. It's commonly said that the money is in the list. So I've put together some bonuses that are geared towards you building your list and ultimately profiting with affiliate marketing or with email marketing in general. I'm going to be going through the bonuses, and then I'm going to let you see how Prime Mail works and all its features. Now, one thing I would like to let you know, which is basically an advantage, one advantage that Prime Mail actually brings to the table, is that it comes with its own SMTP. Usually, when you are getting most of the kind of autoresponder softwares that are being sold recently, they still need you to go and get your SMTP. Some premium SMTP actually requires you to still pay monthly. But with Prime Mail, you don't have to pay any monthly fees, and you don't need to go and get your own SMTP, which is great. So this is cloud-based. This doesn't require you to go and get any SMTP because this has built-in SMTP. It has built-in templates. Also, no monthly fees. Build your unlimited list size. Send out unlimited emails. Get access to your report and analytics. And this makes Prime Mail awesome, in my own opinion. So I'm going to go through my bonuses right now, and then I'll let you see how this works. My first bonus is a cloud-based software that I released towards the end of 2020, and this basically allows you to build your list and make money with affiliate marketing. This is Commission Flex, and what this gives you access to done for you squeeze page templates. Now, when you're sending traffic to a product or any sales page through your affiliate link, the best practice with affiliate marketing is to send them to a squeeze page, and then you build their curiosity. They will need to give you their email addresses in order to be redirected to this sales page, or basically any other thing that is on the other side. So this is a software that gives you access to done for you squeeze pages, that allows you to build curiosity. You get access to different templates, and then you can actually build unlimited campaigns. Now, this allows you to build your list inside this cloud-based software, which you can then go and export to Prime Mail. So this allows you to automatically build your list while promoting affiliate offers, and then you can actually do some follow-up once you upload your list inside Prime Mail. Prime Mail allows you to upload, to import, and also export your list, which is totally awesome. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing from your WordPress website. Obviously, this also does not involve paying monthly fees to email services like Aweber or GetResponse. So this also guarantees 100% deliverability of your emails. One of the issues with email marketing is even the super affiliates do send out emails, and their emails end up in the promotion tab, which you don't want, or inside the spam folder, which is even worse. So I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing from inside of your WordPress website. And this is basically how to achieve 100% deliverability of your emails. This allows you to also send out emails to your list, manage your list as if you are actually using a premium autoresponder. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a traffic software. This is Octagon Pro. This was recently launched. This was launched in June. You'll be getting access to the pro version of Octagon, and this allows you also to build your list. Now, this gives you access to done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. And what I love so much about ClickBank is, even as a newbie, you basically don't need approval to get your affiliate links. Once you log into your account, all you need to do is get your ClickBank ID and come and paste your ClickBank ID on your Octagon profile. Then what happens is all these high quality done for you product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. If anybody actually visits these reviews and they actually purchase any product, you get credited to your ClickBank and ultimately to your bank account. So that's my bonus number 3. Also bonus number 4, one of the issues newbies face, a major issue actually that newbies face when they start affiliate marketing, is they don't even know what to send. They don't know how to communicate with their newly built list, and everything is just kind of strange to them. So I'm going to be giving you access to some done for you opener email swipes. These are emails you can actually send to start relationship and to start marketing and to start making money with affiliate marketing in general. So you are going to be getting access to this done for you email swipes from me as bonus number 4. Also, bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you how to get some high quality buyer traffic from Quora. Quora is basically a question and answer website, a platform that people come and ask questions basically about everything, about marketing, about making money online, dating advice. Every niche is actually represented on Quora. So whatever niche you are, I'm going to be showing you how to get some high quality traffic from Quora, which allows you also to build your list, and if you want, make sales also. Also, bonus number 6, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. And even though I don't know what these bonuses are at this point in time, these bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your members area of Prime Mail. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your receipt inside your members area of Warrior Plus. All you need to do is go to your purchases on Warrior Plus. You'll find Prime Mail and you would find my bonuses right next to it. And what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of the red buttons on my bonus page, it's going to take you to the sales page of Prime Mail, where you're going to be able to pick up Prime Mail and where you're going to be getting full information about this autoresponder software. So here it says the first ever AI-based email marketing platform to achieve your desired open rate and click-through rate at 0 monthly fee. First ever smart autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP server that empowers entrepreneurs and business owners to send unlimited emails with just one click. So feel free to come check out the video presentation on this sales page to get more information about these unlimited emails, free email verification, unlimited list imports, which I just told you about, high email deliverability, and this is completely cloud-based, meaning there's nothing to install, and this basically works anywhere across the world. You get access to drag and drop template editor. Feel free to come check out this sales page in your own time to get more information about Prime Mail. So I'm just going to show you the pricing right now, and then I'm going to let you see how Prime Mail works. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, and the price is actually expected to go up within the period of the launch, meaning the earlier you come in to pick up Prime Mail, the lower the price you're going to be picking it up for. There are some optional upgrades. The first optional upgrade is the Prime Mail Pro that goes for $27 to $37. You can send unlimited, you can send automated sequences, premium email templates. You get access to up to 100 done for you templates. The second optional upgrade is the Prime Mail Max that goes for $47. I think you should be able to decline and pick that up for $37. Dedicated IP for best email delivery. So if you are looking at getting the highest delivery rates, I think this is an upgrade for you. The third one is the Prime Voice that goes for 37. You can decline and pick it up for 27. This gives you access to text to speech, generating natural sounding voices for your text. This is one of the kind of software saving you thousands of dollars on all your voice over needs. 64 languages and over 400 voices. That's upgrade number 3. Now upgrade number 4 is the Prime Mail Agency that goes for 97. That goes for 197. You can decline and pick that up for 97. You get to create unlimited accounts for clients, charge monthly or one-time fee at your own pricing. Also, SMTP is inbuilt. DFY website for selling Prime Mail. The final upgrade of number 5 is Prime Mail White Label. This basically gives you the software, and then you can customize this and basically build your own email marketing service company. Use your own logo, your own domain, and all. This goes for 197, and I guess you can decline and pick that up for 97. And that's my review of Prime Mail. Right now I'm going to let you see how Prime Mail works and how you can put this to use for your own profits.